Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for the whole body weight workouts. Today I'm going to do some chest exercises, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up, just jump back and forth between these two exercises. I'm going to do a low angle, mid-range, low angle chest push-up exercise using the table. Kind of use the corner of the table here because it makes it a little bit easier. For also for the video, makes it easier for the video, better angle. So I'm going to do a close hand position, and I can do close, I can do shoulder width, or I can do wider than shoulder width. I'm going to mix it up with some below plane push-up exercises using the chair. So I'm just going to kind of jump back and forth, doing one or two sets here, and then one or two sets there. So just jumping back and forth. Very simple and easy exercise. So this upward angle, the upward facing angle, is what I find to be one of the most effective chest exercises for your home body weight workout routine, or your home workouts. Alright, so I just kind of stick my hands together, and make sure the table is not moving around too much. Okay, and just kind of stick my hands together, and that chair out of the way a little bit. Okay, and so just put my hands together like this. Oh. When you're doing the close-in hand position, you do have to be aware of your balance. Okay, don't fall over as you're doing them. The close-in hand position does tend to be a little bit more challenging, a little bit more difficult because it's such an awkward position for your hands. It's an awkward position. And it does tend to work more the inner chest area, so that is good if you're looking to work the inner chest area. Start rubbing against the wall. Alright, so let's go for it one more time. Do a couple here and then a couple there. Okay, the closed hand position has its own set of challenges. It's not a good, advantageous position for lifting, for pushing upwards. So that makes it difficult. That makes the exercise quite a bit more difficult. Okay, so let's move these chairs around, and we can do a below plane push-up. Stick my legs back like so. And actually, since I can't actually get closed hand position with two chairs and do it below plane, I'm just going to do it on one chair. Alright, so. Okay, so I had forgotten actually that if you're doing the closed hand position, you can't actually do it below the plane where you're going on the chair. So just working with one chair, and you're doing a lower angle push-up now, just using the chair. Lower angle push-up instead of a below plane. I'm not actually going below the starting point, as I previously believed. So just going to do a couple lower angle. Okay. And so just jumping back and forth. And the lower angle works well with the, this lower mid-range angle. Which, they work really well together because you're actually putting more pressure on your muscles here in the lower angle than you are with this one. Or at least it's a different angle and a different area of pressure it's targeting in your muscles. Okay? All right. Point of pressure. All right, so let's go for it again. We'll just jump right back into this exercise. Okay, the great thing about your home body weight workouts, you can really max out. You can really max out on the exercise. You don't have to worry about dropping weights. You don't have to worry about something falling on you, whatever. You can just really max out doing these exercises. Okay. So that is one major advantage. You can really fine-tune the workout. Okay. Moving the table out of the way. Okay. So again, just jumping back and forth, doing the exercise in succession, close hand position for both. Oh, okay. That's getting quite challenging after a while, but that's good. Just keep motivated, always keep motivated to work out at home. Okay. And the lower angle, if you do it, this is a relatively lower angle than this one. So it really adds to the exercise. It really makes it maximizes the difficulty of the exercise. You really feel a different level of pressure on your muscles as you're doing this one. Okay, so back to this exercise here. Alright, I'm going to do one more set, or two more sets on this one, and then I'm going to jump to the next one. One more time. Alright. Okay. So let's take just a quick breather here. Got a flex in there. Once you've done a couple sets, it's always good to do a flex, just to define the muscle, grip the muscle a little more, and give it a little extra definition. About 20 seconds, 20-30 seconds is what I usually do for the flexing. Oh. It's always good to get a couple flexes in between your sets. Just give your muscles the extra rip they need. All right. Okay. That's really nice to get to vary the angles. As you're doing whole body weight workouts, angles are important. Body position is crucial. They're both crucial to working with the maximizing the difficulty of the exercise, targeting the muscles in different areas. Both very important. and focus on the negative resistance, as I say in most of my videos. Focus on the negative resistance, especially as you're reaching your points of failure for the end of the exercise. Okay, there you go. Okay, and as you're reaching your final points of failure, terminal points of failure, really focus on the negative resistance. Okay? So as you're coming down, really try to hold as much as possible, gain as much benefit from the exercise as you possibly can. All right, take a really quick breather here. Maybe get another hickey flex in there, about 10-15 seconds, just to rip the muscles a little bit more, and another point of failure. Flex. Try to force those muscles to gain definition and growth. Alright, so starting to reach my terminal points of failure, which is good. Work as hard as you can until you reach those awesome points of failure, and then really focus on the negative. Then you can do some isometrics, or stopping, holding, planking, whatever you want to call it, to add a little bonus, level of difficulty to your exercise. Okay, so I'm just stopping and holding as long as I can, since I'm reaching the terminal points of failure, the final maximum points of failure. All right. Okay, so I'm really reaching the points of failure, the maximum points of failure, so I'm just going to stop and hold as much as I can. Alright, let's try that one. Try one more time here. And one more time here. Just because I'm a masochist. Okay, that's probably good enough. All right, so that is all she wrote. So these are some quick and easy exercises that you can do in your spare time at home. That is a very nice little chest workout because you're working with the angles so one angle is higher than the other angle, and they work together really well as far as angles go, and working with the various angles. They just target the muscles from different areas and add a little bit of variation to your workout, and also challenge to your workout because you're hitting the muscles with different pressure zones, I should say. Anyway, this is Byron signing off, so have a wonderful day, and everyone, remember what I say, keep motivated to work out at home, and we'll see you on the next round. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.